Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we will be doing the battery drain test of the Vivo T3 Ultra. So a lot of you have been asking us to do this battery drain test of this device. So this device comes with the Dimensity 9200 plus chip, and it's one of the really powerful devices in the 30 to 35,000 rupees price segment. In fact, with card offers you can get it below the 30,000 price segment. So with Dimensity 9200 plus and you get a 5500 milliamp hour battery. Let's see how good the battery experience is. So let's start the battery drain test of this device. So we'll start with 100%. We'll be using this device both with 5G network as well as Wi-Fi. We'll use the social networking app like Instagram, YouTube. We'll do benchmarking tests. So we'll do all the tests and then we'll see how much of battery life this has. We'll see the screen on time at the end of the test. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So now we are connected the device to the charger. So let's remove it. So let's remove it from charger and start the timer as well. So now you can see 100% battery. We'll start the timer. So now let's start with Instagram. So we are starting off the usage with Instagram. So first we'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi network. So it's a mixed usage. So we'll be watching some reels on Instagram and the battery now is 100%. So the first 1 hour will be Instagram reels on Wi-Fi network, and let's see at the end of that time, let's see how much battery has, and then next hour we'll continue with Instagram again on 5G network. So we are using Jio 5G for this. So the first 1 hour is completed now, and you can see that the battery is still at 100%. So this could be some calibration issues, but generally at 1 hour of Instagram on Wi-Fi, the battery drop is around 1 or 2%, but here it's still showing 100%. Now second hour we'll go with Instagram once again. This time around we'll use 5G network. So at the end of the first hour and the second hour of Instagram, we have 91% of the battery remaining. That means in around 2 hours of Instagram streaming, around 9% battery is down. So first hour on Wi-Fi and the second hour on 5G network. Same we'll do with YouTube. The first hour we'll stream YouTube videos on 5G network, and then next let's do the same on Wi-Fi network. So at the end of the first hour on YouTube streaming on 5G network, we have battery at around 78%. So total 3 hours of streaming, now we have 78% battery. That means 22% battery has been consumed. Now let's go to YouTube on Wi-Fi network, and at the end of another hour of YouTube streaming on Wi-Fi network, we have 69% of the battery remaining. That means 31% battery is drained in 4 hours of streaming. Next, let's go on to the camera usage. So we'll use record videos in 4K 60 FPS for 1 hour, and this will be again on 5G network. And let's see, because we use camera outdoor, so that time it will be 5G network. So we'll be using camera for 1 hour, and let's see how much battery drain happens. And at the end of 5 hours, 50% of the battery is drained. So that means 5 hours, half of the battery is drained. And next let's go to Facebook usage. So Facebook is still one of the really popular social networking apps. So we'll use Facebook for 1 hour. Again, this will be on 5G network. So at the end of 1 hour of Facebook usage, the battery now is at 41%. So another 9% battery drained in 1 hour of Facebook usage. Next, let's go to gaming. So gaming is one of the things a lot of people do on a powerful device like the Vivo T3 Ultra. So we'll play 2 games, Asphalt 9, and then we'll move on to PUBG Mobile or BGMI. So we have played Asphalt 9 for around, or rather Asphalt game for around 20 to 25 minutes, and then we did play BGMI for some time. Again, this was on the highest possible graphic settings available. So after around 1 hour of gaming, this was on Wi-Fi, because gaming is better if we have the Wi-Fi network. So we have done gaming on Wi-Fi network. So at the end of 1 hour of gaming, we have 26% of the battery completed. So that means a total of 7 hours of device usage. We still have 1/4 of the battery remaining. That's 26%. Next, let's move on to the Twitter app. So Twitter is one of the social media app we use for media, images, videos, tweets, reading. So we have spent almost 1 hour on Twitter, and at the end of 1 hour we have 19% battery. Once again, this is done on Wi-Fi network. So 1 hour of now almost 8 hours of usage is completed, and still we have around 19% of the battery remaining. Next, let's move on to Instagram usage. We have used Instagram half an hour. This is again on Wi-Fi network, and at the end of 8 hours and 30 minutes we have around 13% battery remaining. And finally, let's go to camera usage. Again, we'll record 4K 60 fps again and see how much battery remains. And you could see now almost at the end of 9 hours and 6 minutes, the battery has been completely emptied. That means it took 9 hours 6 minutes to drain the battery from 100% to 0% using all the apps, which included mixed Wi-Fi and 5G usage. So 9 hours 6 minutes is pretty good time for a powerful device, because it's not a budget device. Actually, it's a mid-range powerful device, so obviously the battery usage will be slightly higher compared to a budget device. So 9 hours 6 minutes is definitely good, considering that this is a really good device for gamers as well. Again, the usage was mixed. Almost 4.5 hours we used on 5G network, and then rest was on Wi-Fi network. It's a mixed usage. We have used Geo network for 5G, and we have used the screen refresh rate at 120 Hz refresh rate. We have set the standard refresh rate at 120 Hz, and the screen brightness is also automatic brightness. So 9 hours 6 minutes is the battery drain time for the Vivo T3 Ultra. So that was the battery drain test. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.